Hi, I'm Vivian Berry from CybLynx, bringing you today's cyber brief. On June 7, 2025, US-based retail giant ShopRite confirmed a Credential stuffing attack that compromised over 220,000 customer accounts. The breach was first identified through unusual login patterns and flagged by the company's fraud detection system. What happened? Hackers used previously leaked usernames and passwords, likely obtained from unrelated breaches, to automate login attempts on ShopRite's customer portal. Once successful, they accessed personal data, purchase history, and in some cases partial payment details. Why it matters. Credential stuffing attacks are rising fast, mainly because many people still reuse passwords across multiple platforms. A single leaked credential can open the door to multiple accounts if not properly secured. CybLynx quick tip. Use a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords. Also, enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) wherever possible. These two simple steps can stop most credential stuffing attacks in their tracks. ShopRite is working with law enforcement and has issued password resets for all affected users. If you've shopped with them recently, check your account activity and update your credentials immediately. Stay safe, stay alert. This is Vivian Berry with CybLynx. Follow for more cyber news that helps you protect what matters most.